What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be testing out the John boat today. No idea how it will work. This what do you call it? A wet run, not a dry run. Newly rebuilt transom and reconditioned motor. So we are hoping to, have a great time today. Short time, and we're gonna hoping to be safe as well. And we're gonna do a little bit of fishing. Stay tuned, and I thank you for clicking on this video. So I'll see you later on the water. Peace out. We're here at last. Set up muna namin. According to him, it's the motor is like an overkill because the limit is only like 7 horse, and what we have is almost like it's 9.9. Let's see how it performs. Probably the reason why yung transom before it broke, siguro kasi sa sobrang lakas ng makina.
It's rotten.
It was rotten, diba? Okay, so it was rotten daw. But hopefully we fixed the transom. They fixed the transom, and hopefully it turns out well. Hopefully it performs. Yeah. Ito. Tama? Oh, diretso lang. Yeah, diretso lang. Straight mo lang, straight mo. Okay, straight lang. Straight lang. Tama? Sige, diretso. Goods na, goods. Diretso tayo. Sige. Basta na ako. Okay na, nakababa na yung boat. Abati mo, tapos doon ako pupunta. Abati mo na. Okay, whoops. Woo! Success! Success! We are waterborne, boys. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Nice. Thanks.
How many seats do we got in this boat? You got room for 2 more? Oh no! We might sink.
We can switch.
Yeah, we'll take turns. We'll take the boat out and you guys can sit here.
It's actually our first time putting it in the water. So,
really?
That's right.
Yeah, that thing's awesome. We'll keep a close eye on you guys in case you go down. Good luck, guys. I hope you catch some big fish.
Thank you, you too.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
If I catch anything, I'll just leave it on the trailer here for you.
We made it. We're out. Okay. Brad, lagay mo to dyan sa may paad sa mga.
Unclick!
Yeah. We're doing it, boys. We did it. Hindi pa rin pala ako na life jacket. Sorry. Wear the life jacket, boys, because it is tama. We are off to an adventure! Malalim na to! Naku po, 5 feet lang tayo.
Ano, saan?
Pero pwedeng bahay ng mga pike to. Teka. Okay, try muna natin dito.
magaming konti.
Ha? Okay, try muna natin dito. Gamitin muna natin sila ng top water. Ek. Okay, first spot. Success. Ayan mo na do. Pag may humabol dyan, woo!
Ano gamit mo?
Yan, bass bait.
Ang sakit.
Kulay puti.
Ba tayo?
So tayo, laliman natin ng konti.
Ito muna tayo. Dahil dyan yung nagkuhan.
Yeah.
Tapos yung nagkuhan. Trolling na tayo.
Ikaw. It's a mud flat. Pero wala sila sa mababaw. Try muna natin. I got one.
Got one? What? Go!
Ay!
Ay! Amo!
Oh, tsaka kala ko ano, umiglas eh. Tarantad. Well, got too excited, sorry. Practice. Dun tayo. Ilan tayo?
Uy, sorry. Uy, lubang.
Testing. Ayaw nyo ha. Yeah. Tayo ako ha. Tatayo ako. Dapat hindi tayo nasa gitna, nasa gilid tayo dapat. Oh. Ilang feet tayo? 9 feet. Ayun! May umahabol. Nakita mo? May umahabol. Meron. Meron. Yops! Uli ka. First fish. I saw that. Nakuha ng camera yan, pare. I saw that. I saw him chase it. Yes, first fish. Although ayaw kitang hawakan. Although ayaw kitang hawakan, but I have no choice, boy. Nahuli na to dati. Oh, first fish. Yes. Woo.
Pala driving standing up dito, men.
First.
Parang paddleboard.
First bite, pare. Sorry. Oo nga. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna bring you back. Magpapapicture pa ako sa iyo eh. Ikaw naman, ha? Bye-bye. Thank you for biting. We got first fish. Yeah. We are not skunk boys. Medyo ano lang ng konti. But it's nice.
Ang dami, may bato.
Doon o. Sige. Wala. All I can do is just point. Gusto tayo mo.
Woo! Patit!
Yun lang, may pike ako. Ay, mababaw. But, let's see. Meron, pula. Ayun o. Yan, tama yan. Oops, got one. Yun. Second fish.
Uy!
Pike? Uy! Okay. Thank you. First time using this one. Chatterbait. Oh, got one. Yes, got one. I don't know what this is. Pero parang yung hinahanap natin, Brad. Can you help me out? Ayun oh. Ay, maliit. A small pike. May ano ka ba? May isim na. Ay, wala na. Walang kaso. Pero, teka lang. Sige, ano ka muna? Cast ka muna. Set ko lang tong isang rod ko. Ha, game. Where my peeps at? Doon muna tayo sa mga mura. If you watch my previous video,
Saan ba naka-record yun?
you know what this is. Oh, ayun. I got one. Ay, may kumagat. Meron. Oh.
Nakita ko na yung waterfall sa mapa eh.
Kaya natin tumawid doon.
Yung...
Yun, dali. Meron? Nice. Kailangan na net? Kailangan ng... Uy, malaki. Huwag mo lang. Quality, Brad. Oh, yan. Woohoo! Yes.
Teka, wag na net. Wag na.
Wag na. Ayaw mo na hawakan, ha? Oh, huli ni Aidan. Lahat na kami meron. Yes, no one is scam. Good job. No one is scam.
Ay, nabudol!
Oh!
Hello? Ani? Ha?
Pauwi na kayo?
Hindi pa.
Kalimutan ko yung pinto sa liit.
Saan?
Putik.
Ano daw?
Sa loob ng bahay.
Yung?
Susi daw.
Hala!
Kaya ako ng video sa ano ko.
Naku. Ay, pre. Tingin na lang tayo.
Tubig. Wala ka nagagawa. Ganun talaga. Accident happened. Alright. We had a slight emergency, so we have to cut the trip short. Yeah.
But at least what we tested,
Success, yeah. The test was a success. So, yeah. Andito kami ngayon. So, look. Boat is moving na. Yeah.
Sorry for the sound, but thank you very much for tuning in. See you on the next video, guys. Thank you.